Hello guys, welcome to Full Stack Overflow. In this video, I will show you on how to create subpages dynamically. So let's start. First, let's open page.php. Page.php is the default page of WordPress subpages. In this first line of code, same with index.php, we have to put getHeader function. Let's type get_header and open close parentheses. Then do the same for adding getFooter function. Get_footer, open close parentheses. Then, let's create a container with subpages class. Just add class subpages. Then under our subpages container, we should add a section inner container. After this, let's create a WordPress query. So how to create a WordPress query? Just type if have post and the following code. Then loop our post while adding the while condition. Then, to get the title of the page, use title function. So just type the underscore title, open close parentheses. Then next is to display the content of our page. Just use the content function. Just type the underscore content and open close parentheses. Then let's add the reset post data function after the endif code. Just type wp underscore reset underscore post data open close parentheses. This function of codes are used to display the content of our template from secondary query to our main query. Let's go back to our website. Refresh. Then click the blog page. Then there it is. We already have a subpage. Then let's go to that page in our CMS and add content. Click edit. Just type any content you want. Click update. And then go back to the blog page in our front end side. Refresh. And as you can see, we already have our content. Let's create another page to double check if our subpages are really working. Click add new. Then create About Us page. Type your content and publish. Then let's add our About Us page in our menu. Click on the appearance and the menu. Click About Us, add to menu, and save it. Go back to our front-end site, click Refresh, and as you can see, About Us page is already added in our menu. Click About Us, and the content is already working for our About Us page. So now, what we're gonna do is to apply a design in our About Us page by creating a new template. To create a new template, just click Create File, name it as page-about-us.php. So let's go to page.php. Copy and paste that code to our newly created template file. Click Copy and paste it to page-about-us.php. And then, we will be copying section from our index.php. For example, the testimonial section. Just copy it, and then let's paste it after our section inner container. Then, on the second line of our code, add a template name About Us. Just type template name and then the About Us. And then click Save. Let's go back to our About Us page in CMS. Click Edit. In the bottom of the right side panel, we can see the template page attributes. Click the drop down, then choose a created About Us template and click Update. Refresh our About Us front-end page. And now, you can see our testimonials UI, the one we copied from our index page. So compared to blog page, it's now different. So guys, these are the ways on how to create template in our WordPress. On our next video, I will show you on how to create dynamic blogs. Dynamic blogs in our homepage. So in this part, our latest blogs, we will create this as dynamic, and then the blog page, of course. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and click the bell button.